Allegheny Medical has a very active physical therapy and rehabilitation program. Dr. Krista Swarovski, a physical therapist, manages that department. She has a bachelor's in rehab science, a doctorate in physical therapy, and she is licensed in Pennsylvania as a physical therapist. She is an active member of the American Physical Therapy Association, and she has been licensed to practice for 2 years. Physical therapy is a healthcare specialty involved in the evaluation, diagnosing, and treatment disorders of the musculoskeletal system. The ultimate goal of physical therapy is to develop, maintain, and restore maximum movement and function to each individual throughout his or her lifespan. At Allegheny Medical, Krista works with a wide variety of patients with many pathologies and disorders that include, but is not limited to, sprains and strains, sports and orthopedic injuries, post-surgical conditions, and neurological disorders.